Hey, it's me, G3, and I am here at Sydney Kingsford Smith International Airport, and today we are going to fly economy class on American Airlines to Los Angeles. I am going to show you how to make the most of it because I have some items that will make an economy class flight for 15 hours more comfortable. We have a priority pass, which means that we got to go to this little restaurant and get all this stuff for free. We're at a place called Better Burger, and I'm waiting for my burger. I am super hungry. Wait, so didn't I tell you guys that I got this burger for free too? For $0.00.
How's your boy going?
Delicious. Just a fun fact, guys. Rhythms is the longest British word without a vowel. Now we're at the gate, and one of the items we're going to use is the Trtl Pillow. So what it does is, it's like a travel pillow, but it can support your neck at any angle. So here's how you put it on. Back of the neck goes here. Then we wrap it around.
Okay, so wherever you place it, wherever you want support.
And then, also you can put this on your chin.
If you want to lean forward, huh?
I bought this on Amazon for $29.99. They have sizes for children too. So this is an inflatable foot rest for air travel. We also got it on Amazon. So to inflate it, you need to blow into this part. And when it's almost inflated, you blow in here to just get a little more air. Uh-oh, looks like it turned blue when it inflated. Just kidding. That's just one side of it. So now what you do is place them on the floor. You can stack them on top of each other and just put your feet on them. It's really helpful for people who have short legs because you know how for short people their legs hang off the seat like this? You can just place it on. It's almost like having a reclining seat. I got my inflatable foot rest from Amazon for only $14.99. My dad also has hand sanitizing wipes, so we like to wipe our tray tables down and the entire seat. So they don't always offer amenity kits because we're flying in economy class, but I created my own. Let's see what's inside. There's a comb, a bag for our trash, toothbrush and toothpaste, lip balm, water spray, and lotion. Oh, and we also have these to block out the sound of the plane while you are asleep. That's all. Now I got my footrests inflated. I'm about to go to sleep. Oh wait, I need my Trtl Pillow. Time to put it on. Here, I'll help you. Alright. And I just go to sleep. The Trtl Pillow worked out great. It really comes in handy because if you don't have a pillow, just use the Trtl Pillow. I recommend you try it. Yeah, and the footrest was also really great. It felt like having a reclining seat. So now we're just at the baggage claim waiting for our bags right now. Well, anyway, guys, that's the end of my video. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, turn on post notifications, comment down below, and follow me on Instagram. Thanks for traveling with me, G3. See you soon.